couldn't help that's the way I look. I was born this way.
Not taking your crumple.
Oh, well.
Just like taking your home away from you.
I get one too. Are you doing a VCR or something?
Yeah.
You are? Don't do it yet. Come on.
Well, let me see
Wait,
you do it
Come
then.
on.
Okay, ready?
Do it.
Doing something?
He wants to do it. Look at him. He wants to do it.
It's the puzzle. This is a gift from, let me see, let me read it. Does it have a voice on it? Your camera?
Yes.
You're doing voice too, that's what I thought. To Robert, Merry Christmas with love from the Nichols family. That's you, and you're taking the picture. And includes Stephen and all the children, and Mom and Dad, Grandma and Grandpa, Peter's father and mother.
No.
Okay, now I'm Marjorie's sons, and this is Robert, and this is my husband, and my husband's father. Where's my husband's mother? There's my mother, my husband's
Come
mother.
on, Robert.
Okay, open up the package. You went
I'll
through
start you.
that
And Robert is 40
You went
and
through
what's
all
all here,
that.
too.
He's losing
Robert.
interest.
Here.
Open
He's
up
doing
the
great
package.
guns. He's losing interest now. What is this?
Steve.
Just after all of that.
Hey, open
This is
it.
Christmas 1985.
Open it now.
Robert.
Yeah, come
Hey.
on.
He's got his attention now. He's got his attention. You
Come on,
lost
do
it from the package.
something.
He's doing great with the package.
You wouldn't let me when I wanted to.
And open it. Come on.
Here, do this.
Open it.
There's more people to watch.
Don't take any pictures, stop. Keep doing it. Stop.
Oh,
These are wonderful and educational. Absolutely, all the colors, see?
He likes the wrapping.
I know, well, he's gonna like this better. And it has the various sizes.
Give me the
Oh, that's
paper,
better. There's a toy that's very high priced that's from Sweden. I was going to get it and I'm glad I didn't.
Using my mom. If I can get it the right way.
Gee, whiz. We ought to do this now. You know? Come on, let's do this now. This reminds me of the old Indians, that you stack according to size. Yeah, the old fashioned style. My brother had a set.
My brother's
There's
cigar.
gold
Only 2
Is that
cigars.
Mexico Indian that you picked up?
Probably Mohawk.
Mohawks are in
Oh, I like
Mexico.
these.
Or in
I
the
kind of know who's gonna like these more. Oh, I like, look at this.
You know what I have to do? Throw them across the floor?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Here, you hold them.
Would you mind to tell me any?
Except
Scuff them up for
except I need something on the floor. I wanted Dick to go upstairs and get the towel. Now we have enough.
Do you have something to put on the
There's a
floor?
green towel laying on the chair there. Isn't there? Right in the dining room there? Isn't there a green one laying there?
These are wonderful.
Someplace?
Cheapers.
In my mouth. I like things in my mouth.
It's not a, oh, you know, he might be able to drink out of a cup yet.
Yeah.
Oh, you're good. And where'd it come from?
It came out the other room. What if it was told to?
Where was that?
I don't know. Grandma said so.
Back here.
See, you can
That's
hold
how
his
you
head
get
up.
his attention.
See?
Me here attention.
By the way, Linda, that was a gift you gave to the twins. Oh, it is wonderful.
What did you give him?
Steve Richard, he's just taken possession of it. It's not ours, it's his.
Too young.
Works it and presses the neck down and it runs along the dog.
He's working
Oh,
on it.
it's my monster.
Wow. That's what you
Do it
wanted?
again.
That's it.
It's like a monster, like a dinosaur or something with a long arm.
3, 4. It's got the numbers on.
Oh, it does.
We can achieve.
I'm wearing glasses, but I don't have them on.
Richard.
There.
He's starting to do it.
That's what you wanted me to do?
I do. Oh, I do.
You
Oh,
know.
no. All right,
Mommy,
let's
come
go back.
Put a pillow behind him a little bit.
There you go.
Prop me up. He's fascinated with the picture even now, and he's just looking. He likes to just take her. Poor little kid. What are you doing to you?
He took it. He did. Did you get that? He didn't get that.
I got it.
Now it's
No?
drinking. It's now drinking.
Steve.
You got the attention.
Yeah, you got his attention, Steve.
You gotta be ready.
He's got a good smile. Give Peter a good smile. He got it.
Can't you do any?
Come on, do it again. Do it again. There it comes.
Weak.
There it comes. There it comes. Yeah. He's got it beat. He got a good smile. Wow, they're all in front of you. Now you can grab them all.
You can get them.
Grab them all. Are they too far in front of you? Huh?
Oh boy.
Time to roll over.
Back over.
Come on. Come on.
Back over.
Come
Can't.
on. There we go. There we go.
Top heavy, that's the
Almost
problem.
there. Yes, a little bit on the side. A little bit too far.
When will he
There
go over onto his
smiles
tummy?
like crazy right at you, even at that point. He smiles away.
When will he go over to his tummy from his back?
Oh,
The hell is-
come on, mothers.
Now, how does this work? You just roll it.
Just
roll it. They just roll it.
and see what he does.
It's
Let's
supposed
do
to start them crawling, and it does. They
Robert.
try to catch it.
I'm having a good time, Mommy.
Oh,
Boy, good at something else.
What they do when they're in their playpen or anything, they'll push.
He's just staring at it now.
I was going to
That
say,
thing
I
made
think
noise.
it's Dr. Spockles.
There it goes.
Look at that.
Anything with a
I want
face
I
on
want
it.
you to remember that. That's great.
I didn't know.
Put the new one back on.
Don't get it.
They gotta work here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, now I want you to roll over. I want you to look at this.
Loving it.
Can't you talk?
Absolutely. Yeah, he's just staring at it. He's really just staring at it, aren't you?
This is I'm overwhelmed. This Christmas business.
What in the world's going on, huh?
Now we get him crawling. You know, if he can't reach it anymore, to touch it, he'll start to
I think that is the idea of them. They just hit it and it rings and it runs a little way away and they try to get after it.
like that. Dishwasher slate. Did you see that? Dishwasher slate.
Someone knows something.
Here's my daddy. Here's my daddy.
I should show you the book we gave you.
No.
Where in the world?
That was my last one, so I
Just
just
don't do too much, do you?
You got any finished ones back in the table? They're all over here.
Did he lean forward like that?
Of course.
Gee.
Why not? Why not? Why not? So it tastes good, huh? Yeah. Does that taste good? Oh, where's the hand?
Yeah, we've got Dick and Linda taken. This is Dick's though, but that's Linda's at home. So there you go.
See, wouldn't that be nice to crawl down there?
Gee, you reached out to get it. How about that? Now he's got his fingers on his teeth.
Yeah. He's watching those kids. Yes.
Now, say 10% or 20%.
Down it.
Wait,